And right here we have a 2014 Harley-Davidson 883N Sportster in color black denim. Bike's in really nice condition, low miles, and outfitted, or customized I should say, pretty nice. Has barely over 15,000 on it, but this will not sound stock. Vance & Hines short shots. Also, upgraded bars, a little more narrow. Really about the same height as stock. Real nice looking stitched seat. Sissy bar. Passenger backrest. The Vance & Hines short shots again. Looks like stage 1 evidence to me. High flow air intake. Super nice looking and well priced bike, available for test listen and test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.